Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to read Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups by James Dean. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccup. Hiccup! Hiccup! How do you stop the hiccup? Hiccup! Hiccup! Pete asked Grumpy Todd, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Todd. "You stand on one foot." Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Collie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," said Collie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup! Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down and sings a song. Hiccup! 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 Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," said Bob. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly," says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. "Go ask Mom," said Bob. Pete asked Mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," said Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. "Hold your breath and blow it out," said Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. "That's it," Pete asked. "That's it," said Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. The end. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, subscribe to my channel and press the thumbs up.